And we're back with another knife review. This week is the WE knife ARRAKIS. There are about 6 different models or variations on this knife. Today we have the champagne version. These have there's a very high end for WE. I believe the MSRP on this blade is $408. I think we sell it for $348. We'll start off by telling you a little bit about it. First of all, just out of my hand, it is unbelievably light. It only weighs 3 ounces. We'll start off by telling you it's 8 inches overall. The blade length is 3.5. Blade material is M390 Bowler. Has a Wharncliffe style blade. Blade grind is flat. The finish is a black stone wash. Plain edge. It is a handle length is about 4.5 inches. The handle's pretty wide here for about 1.25 in this area. Handle material is carbon fiber and titanium. Got a nice little mix there. It is a frame lock. Sorry about that. I was reading something I saw on the bottom. It tells you the blade steel down here on the very bottom of the blade. I haven't seen that before. Obviously it's a flipper. Manual. It is right hand tip up carry. Very close to a deep carry, but not exactly a deep carry pocket clip. This knife was designed by Isham. I can't remember his Elijah Isham, that's it. He also did the, I can never pronounce that thing, the Eschaton that we had. This is made from a single piece of titanium. So you can tell that it's been cut to make it lighter and for design. Very aesthetically pleasing. Let's show you how it cuts. I'm sure it will do very well. That's interesting. Slices right through that. I actually think you could probably hear it. So it cuts nicely through paracord. Bring a little cord out here. Do a pull back. Oops, my fault. Didn't press hard enough. Now we'll run this $400 knife through some cardboard. Beauty of working here. Actually, it seems like it's a lot sharper on the tip than maybe not, and the rest of the blade. Let's see how it cuts through. Let's get us another piece. We'll start at the back of the blade, work our way to the front. So it cuts pretty smoothly. Boy, it's real nice around the tip, I'll give it that. I'm trying to figure out this piece here. I guess it's if you want to get right down on it. That's actually kind of neat for close cutting. Kind of like that feature. Since the handle is so light. Alright, so once again, this is the WE knife ARRAKIS, designed by Elijah Isham. It has his name right there on the handle. So on that note, if you're watching on Instagram, we'd like to ask you to like and follow at Atlantic Knife. We're currently doing a giveaway right now. If you're watching on YouTube, make sure you hit that little bell and the subscribe button and watch our show every Friday. Joel and I will bring you new knives and do it in a humorous fashion. On that note, I am C with Atlantic Knife, signing off.